Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SmartThings hub to local scripts and storage, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Backup and Restore option. Tap on Backup My SmartThings hub. If prompted, log in with your Samsung account credentials. Choose the devices you want to include in your backup. Confirm your selection by tapping Next. A progress bar will indicate the backup process. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. To create a local copy, connect a USB drive to your computer. Now, open the SmartThings web interface on your computer. Log in using the same Samsung account linked to your SmartThings hub. Navigate to My Devices from the dashboard. Locate the hub you want to back up and click on it. Next, click on Export Configuration within the hub settings. Save the exported file to your computer. Transfer the saved file to your USB drive for physical storage. Ensure the transfer is complete before disconnecting the USB drive. For added security, create multiple backups periodically. You have now successfully backed up your SmartThings hub to local storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.